Today is Tuesday, August 9th, 2022. It is also day 34 of SQL, but today I just kind of wanted to go back to yesterday's database and use one operator that I forgot to use, and that's the count operator. So count basically is in the name, it just counts how many of each input of whatever column I choose there are in that database. So for example, let's say I want to know how many logs I put in. So for me, I'm Sarai, so how many logs did I put into the reading database, right? How many logs did I put in? So I could just I can select the name, right? I don't necessarily need this right now, but I can select it from logs, and I can group by name, and then having, and then I can just do from, not from, but having count, and then whatever column greater than, let's say, like 2. So I basically logged in more than 2, or I basically had more than 2 logs. And I can see that because I have like one log here, another one over here, and another one over here. So I did 3. If I were to do equal to 2, then I would get Mare and Maven. So they both did 2 logs. So Mare is here, Maven did another one here and one over here. If I were to do 3, then I would just pop up because again, I'm the only one who did 3 logs, right? Who logged 3 reading times, and then let's say equal to 1, then Jacob would pop up because Jacob only logged in 1 log in the reading database. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I believe if I just get rid of this, I think, let's see, yeah, I would still get the same kind of idea, just the name, right, of those. I don't even think I need this. Let's see. I would still have to do having, but then I would have to do group by. Okay, something new. So group by name. Interesting. So for me to use count, apparently I have to use having, and I can only use this if I use group by, which makes sense because I can't do having without group by, because group by is what, leads to you having to use having, no pun intended. Because having is, usually dealing with groups and groups of things, where is used when it's just going through the entire database, like single like item or single row by row. So yeah, it's selecting the name, so all the names from the logs, and it's grouping them by the name, so even if they're multiple names, it's just going to be like one Sarai, one Jacob, one Mare, even though I logged in 3 times. And then it's saying where they have a count more than, or actually equal to 1. So when they only did 1 log in the database, and so that's Jacob. If I did 3, then I would show up because I did 3, right? And then if I did like greater than 2, I would still show up because I'm the only one who did greater than 2. Let's say like greater than 1, then Mare and Maven and me would show up. Mare, Maven, and I would show up because we all did more than 1 log. All right, so that's kind of the function that I wanted to go over today, and that's kind of it for today then. All right, bye.